Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can take a birdshot photos in iPhone 15 Pro. So now first have open the camera app, and now in the photo section just hold the finger on the share button and swipe it to the left. That was our first method. Now the second one, you have to open the settings, then go to the camera, and now just look for the use volume up for bursts. Just switch it on. Go back to the camera, and now you can just hold the finger on the volume up button. We took 10 photos, and we need to pick the best one. Open it in the gallery and click the select. Now look for the best frame and click on the done. Now you can decide that you want to keep every photo that you taken, or just keep the only selected one. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.